This is the Samsung Galaxy XCOVER 6 Pro, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the fingerprint unlock method for, the screen. So launch settings, enter the security, not this one, the biometrics, and I was right to begin with. So security and privacy category of settings. In here, go for the lock screen, fingerprints, continue. Prior to enrolling the fingerprint screen lock method, it is also required that you set up the backup method as well. The list of methods you can choose from is pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with the pattern myself, draw and confirm the pattern that I would like to use. Onwards, you can start enrolling the fingerprints. The sensor is located at the side power key, so lay and lift your finger onto the scanner, slightly rotating each time you do that, so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. Alrighty, so the fingerprint has been successfully added. Now we can test it out and see how well it works. Works just fine. So moving on to the next feature that we were looking to highlight today. It is located at the display category of settings, called the motion smoothness. So basically 2 modes you can set it to be in, standard or adaptive. And before I forget, this option is also better known as screen refresh rate. So you can either go with standard value of 60 Hz and get longer battery life, or set it to be adaptive, which will crank up the display refresh rate value all the way up to 120 in certain scenarios, 120 Hz, which will get you crispier, silkier, and smoother visual experience. I highly recommend that you set it to be adaptive. Thus, the system and the AI will automatically change the value between 60 and 120 Hz in accordance with, current scenario or current situation that you have. Alrighty, the next option that we wanted to highlight today is located at the same display category of settings. It is called the navigation bar, and basically it allows you to switch between 2 system navigation types. Those are swipes, which I'm using currently, and digital buttons, which is more, should I say, old school way of navigating through the system. So just like so, you can change the navigation type, while at the buttons navigation bar, you can also change the order in which those buttons are placed. I'm myself more of a swipe gestures guy, so I'll just get it back to gestures. The next option, a very small one, should I say, that we wanted to highlight today, you can find it in the battery and device care. Go to the battery, additional settings, or more battery settings. So let's say you would like to at all times know how much power you have precisely, since right now, in order for me to see the battery life percentage, I gotta swipe downwards and open up the notification panel. So if you would like for battery percentage to always be present near the battery icon over here, just switch on this toggle. And fifth and final tip for this video, it is more of a feature really. We gotta enter the same battery and device care section. Just go for the different category or field over here. Just go for memory. So the feature that we wanted to show you guys as the 5th feature today is called RAM Plus. It allows you to create a virtual random access memory by occupying the respective amount of storage in the internal storage. So switch this feature on and restart the phone after that. So 3 options you can go for. You can either add additional 2, 4, or 6 gigabytes. I'll go for 6. So switch this toggle on and restart the phone. And after we do that, we'll be able to see that the additional random access memory amount has appeared and now can be used. Already, so the phone has been rebooted. So once I'll go to the RAM Plus option page, I'll be able to see that the additional 6 gigabytes of RAM were successfully activated and now are utilized by the system. so battery and device care, memory. From here you can see that the RAM Plus says 6 GB, and this feature is on, so great success. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.